Nextbase, your independent witness that will protect yourself from blame. Whether it's in your vehicle or away from it, the dashcam comes with an intelligent parking mode, ultra-clear HD resolution, up to 140 degrees wide-angle view, an easy click and go mount, 1440 pixel, with Alexa to keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel, and to control everything with your voice. Alexa, play my driving playlist, get directions, boost the exposure. Customize your dash cam with rear cam attachments. Alexa, show my rear cam to protect against tailgaters and rear impacts. Cabin view captures cars beside you as well as what goes on inside your car. Emergency SOS activates when your dash cam senses if you have an accident and calls emergency services if you need help. It can provide your GPS position, medical data, and more to potentially save your life. Collect more than footage. Save your data with my Nextbase player. Have your speed, coordinates, and GPS when you need them for insurance or anything else. Do more with your journey. Make it better, make it safer, make it memorable. Speed up insurance claims. Don't pay for the mistakes of others. Ensure the safety of your car and the people inside. Click the link in the description and get the best deal for Nextbase 622GW at Amazon. Thank you for watching.